Good morning, children. Very good morning. Today in this class, we are going to discuss about we continue with the map work. So this class we will discuss about the information technology parts. We'll discuss about information technology parts, or we call it IT sectors. Information technology centers, or we call it as a IT sectors. Information technology parts, or you can say IT sectors. Sometimes these information technology centers, they call it as a software technology parts also. They call it as a software technology parts. Software technology parts is. Don't confuse here. Software technology parts, IT sectors, or information technology sectors are same. Children, it's very easy. All these IT sectors have been located in the capitals of concerned states. But already we had this last class also I told you. Once again I am repeating since it's related to map pointing. So I am giving once again I am revising. So IT sectors are generally located all the headquarters, all the capital cities of concerned states. You know each state capital. So they will show the arrow mark of that particular state. You should write down Bombay. You should write Hyderabad. You should write Srinagar. You should write Jaipur. You should write Bhubaneswar. Because these most of the IT sectors located in the capital cities of the concerned state, the headquarter of the concerned state. So you did not bother. It is very easy to identify. It is very easy to identify, or it is easy to mark this. So therefore, I am telling you children, you have to write down the concerned state. You should write down the concerned district, right? But there are few states. If you take a few states, but those IT sectors not located, not established in the concerned state, even other place also. In the same state, other than the headquarter also it's been established. Because being a administrative center, being a business center, so well-known important city, so they established these IT sectors in 2-3 places in concerned state. Those states I will give. Okay, there are maximum 3 states and 2 states. These IT sectors not located in the capital of the concerned state, other than the capital established. Which are those states I will tell you. Other than this, these 3 things you have to memorize. Information. Number 1 is IT sectors located in all the capital cities. All the number 1 is capitals of each state is each state. Second one is 3 states are having 2 IT sectors. Yes. 3 states are having 2 IT sectors. 2 IT sectors. 3 states are having 2 IT sectors. The another third one is 2 states are having other than the capitals. 2 states having IT sectors. 2 states having IT sectors other than the capitals. Other than the capital city of state of the state of the state. These 3 things you have to learn. Normally, all the IT sectors located in the capital cities. Yes, for example, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, right? Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Madhya Pradesh, it's not in Bhopal, it is Indore. Okay, like this, Bihar, Patna. So maximum these IT sectors located in the capital city. That is one. Capitals of each state. You know very well. Capitals of all the states, so easily you can point out. Second thing is, there are 3 states having two IT sectors. Which are the 3 states? 3 states are having 3 IT sectors, 2 IT sectors. Number 1 is Maharashtra, Karnataka. One is Maharashtra, Karnataka, and third is Andhra Pradesh. These 3 states are having 2 IT sectors. For example, Maharashtra, Mumbai, okay. Karnataka, it is Bangalore. Andhra Pradesh, it is in Hyderabad. Yeah. So other than the capitals, these 3 states are having one more IT sector. For example, Karnataka, you take Bangalore and Mysore. If you take Karnataka state, Bangalore and Mysore. In such cases, you have to see in the concerned Karnataka map, where is the arrow mark. Bangalore is to the upper, Mysore to the little down. So you have to see arrow mark and red. Maximum they will give you Bangalore only. So Bangalore, northern portion of the Karnataka, and Mysore is little bit southern region of Karnataka is. So 2 IT sectors in Karnataka. One is Bangalore, another one is Mysore. Then come to similarly Maharashtra. There are 2 IT sectors. One is Mumbai and second is Pune. Mumbai is northern portion of Maharashtra and Pune is little bit southern region. So how Bangalore and Mysore, similarly Maharashtra and Pune also is. In the case of Andhra Pradesh, if we take Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam. Hyderabad where it is in the north and Visakhapatnam it is in southeast. Visakhapatnam is located in the southeast region. Visakhapatnam, it is in southeast, eastern part of India. The deepest landlocked port, that is Visakhapatnam, or you can say Vizag. The deepest port in India is Vizag, that is Visakhapatnam. Clear? That is eastern side. So these are important IT sectors. These 3 states, Karnataka and Pune, Bangalore and Mysore. Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam, Maharashtra and Bombay, Pune. We should know where these places. If you take this Maharashtra, Mumbai, it is almost all northern region, and Pune, it is a southern region. You have to see the arrow mark where it is located. Arrow mark you have to identify. Then you have to see if it is in Pune, it is the southern side, whereas Bombay is a northern direction. Maharashtra, similarly Karnataka. If you take Karnataka, Bangalore is northern portion, whereas Mysore, it is in Mysore where it is. Mysore is the southern region. Then come to third one is Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad, northern, and Visakhapatnam, southeast. 3 state over. That is one is Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. 3 states are having 2 IT sectors. Clear? Then 2 states having IT sectors other than the capitals. Not only 2, even 3 states. You can write 3 states. 3 states. What are those? Number 1 is Punjab, second is Assam, and one is Madhya Pradesh. What are those? Number 1 is Punjab, number 2 is Assam, third one is Madhya Pradesh. These 3 states are having IT sector other than the capital. For example, take Punjab. Where is that? What is the capital? Chandigarh. But it is not in Chandigarh. It is in Mohali. The IT sector is established in Mohali. Similarly, Assam. What is the capital of Assam? Dispur. But IT sector is not in Dispur. It is in where? Guwahati. So IT sector is established where? It is Guwahati in Assam. It is in Guwahati. IT sectors of Assam. Assam where? The northeastern region. So arrow mark there, don't write Dispur there. Capital means. Assam, The capital IT sector is located in Guwahati. Similarly, Madhya Pradesh IT sector not in Bhopal, it is in Indore. It is in Indore. So these things you have to keep in mind. So these three states not in capital city located by the IT sectors: Punjab, Mohali, and Assam, Guwahati, and Madhya Pradesh, Indore. Maharashtra, Mumbai and Pune, Karnataka, Bangalore and Mysore, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam. Rest of the states if you take, rest of all the states if you take, all the states having IT sectors established in the concerned capital cities. So this is related to your IT sectors, information technology parts or IT sectors, or you can say software technology parts. Software technology parts. So this is also 1 mark question. Compulsory is a 1 mark case. So you have to be very careful, children. My point is very easy. There is no doubt, there is no problem at all. Only thing is to know. One has to be alert, pick, you have to revise, remember, recollect. You have to do a little bit of exercises and it will be easy. It will be easy for you. Clear? So once again, the children, I tell you, information technology parks located all the state capitals, all the capitals of the concerned states: Karnataka, Bangalore; Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Orissa, Bhubaneswar; West Bengal, Calcutta. So like this, maximum these IT sectors located in capital states. Only, as I said, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh not only in Hyderabad, and it is there in Visakhapatnam also. If you see arrow mark, if it is in Visakhapatnam, you should write down Visakhapatnam. Arrow mark, if it is there in Visakhapatnam, where is Visakhapatnam? You know, southeast. Right? Suppose if it is Karnataka, Bangalore, Mysore. You know, where is Bangalore, where is Mysore? Arrow mark, you have to see if it is the southern portion, you write in Mysore. If it is northern portion, you write in Bangalore. Similarly, Maharashtra also. Bombay, northern portion, and southern portion is Pune. Bombay and Pune. Right? And other than these capitals, the IT sectors established in the following states: Punjab, Assam, and Madhya Pradesh. Punjab, it is in Mohali; Assam, it is in Guwahati; and MP, it is in Indore. In Madhya Pradesh, it is the IT sector is there in the Indore. So this is related to your that is information technology parts or IT sector. This is 1 mark. So here 1 mark, here 1 mark, and sometimes they may ask you is asking course. They may ask you important course. We already discussed important course. Last class we discussed. So course also they may ask, and sometimes they may ask you about international ports, not only sea ports and international airports. Yes. Ports means sea ports are there, international airports are there. Yes. International airports. So their choice. So here nuclear power stations, IT sectors, important sea ports and international airports. Sometimes they will ask you about even agriculture crops, production of social crops. Which state is producing high production of rice, wheat, like this. Sometimes they ask you right, east to west corridor, drawing line of east to west corridor, north to south corridor. Clear? Sometimes they ask you to point out the island groups of India. So there are plenty of options, but maximum you are going to ask this. So one is nuclear power stations, second is important IT sectors. Clear? Still, if you have any doubt regarding the IT sectors, please ask me. Regarding the IT sectors, please. Regarding the IT sectors, ask. So most of these important IT sectors are located in the capitals of the states. Most of them. Any state you ask, it is located in the capital city, headquarters. Hyderabad started in this in the particular state. You write the capital of that state, etc. Now next will be given this thing. Yeah? Except Punjab, Assam and Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is there. Don't write Bhopal. It is Indore. Assam if you write down Guwahati. Punjab they ask you write down Mohali. Punjab they ask you they can write down Mohali. So this is related to what? Information technology arts or IT sectors, or sometimes they will ask you software technology arts. Sometimes even they ask you software technology arts. Clear, children?